makubaliano. Tungeomba kanisa zote na misikiti tuombee nchi hii iwe na uchaguzi wa amani, uchaguzi wa watu wa uwiano, watu wafanye uchaguzi bila shida yoyote. Hatutaki yale marudio ya zamani. Sasa watu wameendelea, watu wanafahamu zaidi, kwa hivyo tuchaguane kwa njia ya amani bila tabu yoyote.
We appeal to IEBC to engage all forms of media to mobilize our people to come out and register as voters. We also urge the people of Murang'a, and especially the young people, to recognize that they hold the power to good leadership through their votes, which they can only acquire through registration as a voter and actual voting. So those who have registered or are registering for national ID, kindly do so and come out and register. We, the Murang'a CDRG, call on our people to avoid last-minute rush that is quite common among our people. Let us choose the way of peace and never allow violence, deaths, displacements, or destruction of properties courtesy of an electoral process as people exercise their rights. We further urge the law enforcers to decisively deal with the militia groups whose activities have continued to be evident in various parts of the county. We call on all the young people to, and by all means, desist from being misused by politicians to perpetuate violence.